Iwa te kaima iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei, iwa te kaima iwa ira tahi tuatu, I hikurangi mōre nei te iwi. You are listening to E Ara E Mara with the crew.
That is correct. It is
Aye.
Luke, Marcy and Phoenix right here till 9 o'clock this morning. We're keeping you live. We're keeping you active. We're keeping it right here, homely goodness.
Kia ora.
Nice, I like it.
We're keeping it topical, and so
yes, Marcia.
there's a new Fresh Prince of Bel-Air coming out. It's called
Yes.
Reboot Bel-Air.
Wow.
It's called Bel-Air. Yeah.
Oh well, Bel-Air.
It is a reboot. Yeah.
it's I was gonna say it's like a sequel or prequel, but it's just
A new
another
version.
take on it.
Yeah. So the Fresh Prince, obviously, everyone knows the Fresh Prince. You know, in West Philadelphia, born and raised on the playground. Is where he spent most of his days. Yes.
That's right.
So there was the Fresh Prince. So like maybe a year or two ago, a fan made a trailer for a movie of Fresh Prince named Bel-Air. So it was a fan-made trailer that this young, he must be a young aspiring like director or you know, made this like a fan-made trailer of Bel-Air.
Yeah.
And then Will Smith saw it and he was like,
Wow.
that is amazing.
The Fresh
Yeah,
Prince
the
saw it.
Fresh Prince saw it. And probably he didn't expect it to blow up that much, but the Fresh Prince saw it, Will Smith.
That's
And he loved it so much that they've turned it into a movie. So it's legit going to be made into a movie now. So the trailer just dropped.
Is it
recently.
starring the fan? Is the fan going to be in it?
No. Surely has a part
I
like
hope
in
he
terms
gets some
of
royalty.
Yeah, surely.
Yeah. So
Surely
it's set in like modern day. So it's in today's
Cool.
California. And it's like a dramatic take on Will's complicated journey from the streets of Philadelphia to California to Bel-Air,
cool.
but just set now. And so it's like real bougie, and you've still got Jeffrey and,
cool.
and the Aunt Viv and all of that. All the characters are still there. It's just like
It's
now.
2020 you.
Yeah.
I like that.
A little bit of the Kardashians, I suppose.
bit of a
Yeah.
modern take on it. Yeah, so it looks cool. So the trailer's out fun. If you haven't seen the trailer already, go check out the trailer. Maybe they hired him to be a part of the film crew, you know, because he made such a good trailer.
Yeah.
And
I'd hope so.
the fan-made guy, he played the actor in the trailer of Will Smith, and he suited it too.
Oh, cool.
So I don't know if it's the same actor. I better
Cool
go
though.
check it
That's
out,
awesome.
Yeah.
I like that.
Bel-Air.
Mm.
You probably get when you do get hopefully it comes here. No, it's
Is it a movie?
is it a movie? Or
Yeah,
is
it's a
it-
movie.
Oh yes.
Oh, let's go.
Or is it like
A series.
series?
Oh,
Yeah.
I don't know. I assumed it was a
Either way,
movie.
I'd like to see it.
Yeah, me too. Do you have any topical
Quite like
news
the series.
there, Phoenix?
No.
Oh.
But I do have a challenge for us
Yes.
because it's been put out by the
yes.
Queen herself from Buckingham Palace on the hunt for the best pudding maker
Yes.
in honor of the Queen's Jubilee.
I know.
Can you tell
70
us?
years.
She just has prune juice.
Yeah, but they're looking for the best pudding maker, and so I thought let's bring it here because you know anybody that knows me knows that I'm not a pudding maker. But hey, if we all just now down like one pudding to make,
Yes.
maybe it's a non-bake, maybe we've seen it on TikTok, I don't know. Heaps of people do those, and then we go home, make our pudding, bring it
Okay,
back,
all right.
and let the people be the judges.
Yes.
All right.
I saw this.
like
I
that.
saw this
I'm
one
keen.
that I'm gonna try, and it was literally it's like a cupcake.
Yes.
But it's like literally you put all the ingredients into a cup and then put it in the microwave. That's my kind of like pudding. So I'll
okay.
try that one.
Cake.
Yeah.
I like
that.
Cake.
There's one whānau member, Tyler's her name. She makes like these non-baked cheesecakes in a
Ooh,
jar.
Oh.
yum.
And so you got like cookie base and then
Yeah,
cream cheese and all of that mixed in,
Oh, I
caramel
love
stuff and jelly
that.
and all of that.
that sounds yum.
Oh,
Sounds,
tea homemade.
we
that's
just
a
got
vibe.
like ambrosia.
Yes.
So we
Marcia, like it's her number one.
yeah.
That's my
Do
thing
you
I make.
use canned ambrosia like
What?
whipped cream?
No.
Ah, yeah, that's good. No. I was just making sure.
Why
Who does that?
No one does. But
did you?
I was
see
wondering if
someone?
you did. But
No. Yeah,
Where
nah,
do you
no,
even get canned whipped cream?
Yeah, the
those ones.
shape.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
those
The
ones.
yeah.
Yeah. But anyway, Stevie and Rans, you know Stevie and Rans.
Yeah.
She
She can
makes
bake.
she makes the most amazing. Like I like ambrosia is like kind of whatever to me. Oh yeah, it's nice, but you know.
I know. I love
But
They
she
just
made
say
it.
doing it right.
No, exactly. And then I had hers, and I was like, wow.
Yeah, it's a
That's
goer.
life
Any
changing.
dessert by Stevie.
It's
Yeah.
an actual recipe.
What'd she
like,
do?
on
So she does a can.
No, she doesn't do a
okay.
can. No, she does whipped cream and all of that, like all the normal, but in marshmallows and strawberries. But then she adds
Strawberries.
jelly crystals.
Oh,
Jelly
From the jelly,
crystals.
she puts the jelly, like the raspberry jelly crystals, and mixes that in, so it goes pink, and it's like
A little bit bubbly.
it's so yum.
Hey, I
That
haven't
sounds
tried
good.
It's so yum, man. I was like, Stevie, you've done it again.
that. If you guys want to enter our little
yes.
bake off or our dessert off,
Mm.
then do so. We will happily taste test.
That's
Yeah.
right. And actually, if you want to, what's it called? Enter the Queen's one, you're welcome to. Anyone around the world can enter the
true.
Queen's competition because she will
Sure.
select anyone around the world and it will go into the official book and it'll be created for her Jubilee.
That's a
Kia
great
ora.
way
Cool.
to get free desserts. You just run a competition.
Yeah. But yeah, send
Excellent.
us in your thingies.
Yeah, like
mate.
Waimahana sent us in some one day.
Yes.
Right.
The
Cookie
cookies, the
cups.
cookie cups, and inside of that was like chocolate. Those
Chocolate.
were very Moorish.
Could you imagine if someone from New Zealand or a little Māori girl, little Māori boy was the one that was selected for their little pudding
It
Yeah.
could be
If
for
a
it
the
was-
Queen's 70th
If
anniversary?
it was, what would it be?
steamed pudding.
I hope it's
Yeah.
steamed pudding because
I
I
would
don't,
think
Yeah,
so.
I
it'll
don't
be
think they.
Yeah.
Star Trek steamed
Star
pudding.
Trek steamed
Our
pudding.
steamed pudding here is different to an English one. They do
Oh,
have
the
gold-
English is cold and it's got raisins in it.
Yeah,
Ah,
exactly.
Get out of here.
So steamed pudding all the way with
no
real
one,
custard.
no one has ever
And
like,
ice cream.
Oh,
and cream.
yeah.
no one has ever baked a dish and been like, "This is my signature dish. It comes from Britain." No, that's never happened.
Actual.
That's never ever happened.
That's why the Queen is searching the land
Yeah.
for someone that can give
It's
us a
like-
good, decent pudding.
She's like, "Is it raisins again?"
Betcha
Oh.
that is what's going to turn up
Oh,
in a
yeah,
doorstep.
she'll be like,
a whole
"No,
lot of
get rid of
jelly
that."
cake.
It'll be a
Yeah,
fruit
that.
loaf or something, you know.
Oh no!
Like some
You
sort
can
of
make
fruit
as a
loaf.
toast as well.
I think she's quite like a rebel in terms of her eating. I think she's like, no, I want to have bacon and eggs with good old ketchup on it for my dinner.
Not
Yeah.
ketchup.
Your tomato sauce. Oh, they have Heinz. What's that Heinz
Heinz,
stuff?
yeah.
Yeah.
But but she probably doesn't want raisins and fruitcake.
Yeah,
Nah, yeah. So
Get out of here.
give
Just
her the
because she's
caramel.
90
Yeah.
something.
Give her the caramel.
That's
Give
right.
her the Star Trek pudding with the whole can
Golden
of condensed
syrup.
milk at the
Oh.
bottom to make the
Golden
caramel
syrup
sauce.
infused
Oh,
steamed
that is
pudding.
make us one.
Shout out to
Woo!
me. Alternate
sounds
also nearly didn't make that for Christmas.
How rude!
I know. On Christmas Eve, he's like, "Oh, I haven't made it yet." And I was like,
Ah.
You better
"Don't
get.
mention it like just because you're thinking of not making it.
Yeah.
You better
Get
step back."
mate.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Well,
Eh.
you said, yeah. Well, lucky for you, you still have time.
kia ora. And just on that last note, if you do make an ambrosia with canned whipped cream,
How dare
you
you?
must be rich.
No, it
Right,
wouldn't-
those
it
things
wouldn't
cost like
hold.
$10.
Yeah.
The whipped cream would not hold.
Yeah, but still,
It'll just go.
$10 for a can thingy.
Yeah, they're
Get outta here.
expensive.
It's just waste.
They're expensive.
Aye.
No, we're into real cream, chantilly cream, we call it.
Oh yes,
Ooh.
bougie cream.
It's just a
Nice.
splash word for whipped cream with
Whipped
icing
cream
sugar and
with a
vanilla
s-
essence.
Oh, that sounds yum, though.
That's what you normally would have.
Oh, I usually just
In a donut.
In a donut.
Oh, that sounds yum.
It's
True.
just called chantilly cream.
chantilly. And what's in it? Icing sugar and a little
And
bit of vanilla
vanilla
essence.
essence.
Oh, we just whip
now
it.
we.
Oh, do you not add any sweetener to it?
Oh, like some
Nah,
people
we
add
just
like,
whip it too.
Yeah, we put a
oh
little bit of
no.
Oh no, I've added.
sugar.
Yeah.
I add sugar,
Yeah,
but
no.
not that. I want to
But
try
but
that.
not like
Chantilly
vanilla
cream.
essence.
Oh no.
And icing sugar.
And icing
I'm
sugar.
doing that.
Chantilly
Alright.
cream. It's an
Okay.
actual thing.
I'm gonna do that. That sounds
Oh
amazing.
no, I know.
Yeah.
I got it at a restaurant. And I said, "What's this chantilly?"
Yeah, I was like, that's
And
it,
you
it's
were
just
like,
icing sugar and vanilla.
Marcia, get out.
Yeah, no, just do it. You just go
yeah,
teaspoon,
sweet.
and then you've. Yeah,
I'm gonna do it.
So
That
you
sounds
could eat the
yum.
whole bowl.
Yeah, that sounds amazing. Anyway, Whānau, we're gonna head back to our music on that sweet note. We're gonna listen to some more sweet notes.
Woo!
From Uru Whetū, we have Kei Hea Rākoe, and then straight after that we have our news from Wate, and Scotty Morrison's still on holiday, so we've got our fire in there holding it down on the Wate news. No
Bit
reira.
of fire.
It is 7:57 a.m. I am Phoenix. That
I'm
is Luke.
Luke.
That is Marcia. You're here with the crew. E ara e mara, no reira. Kaua huri ki te hana te. Ate Hemi FM.
chini Tōna mene E ko ngā whitirereia Tōna ai o me ko hine pute hue Kei he ara koe E te moe moe ana he Kei he ara koe Kei he ara koe E te moe moe ana he Kei he ara koe Kei ara koe kara mukirunga Kei ara koe kara mukiraro Kei oku moe moe ana he Kei he ara koe Ko tōna kiri me ko te rauia Tōna kakara Me ko te rautangi Tōna rerehua Me ko te pai o hina Kei he ara koe E te moe moe ana he Kei he ara koe Kei he ara koe
Kia hiwara, e whai ake nei ko ngā pito pito kōrero.
Kia ora e ngā iwi e whakarongo mai nā ki e nei pūrongo kōrero a wātea nā te pūtea taunaki a te māngai pāoho. E whai ake nei kia whakaruru hautia pūtiki, koira te ingoa o te hikoi porotehi kua whakaritea mō te rangi tonu nei. He pai ke ake kia haere a whānau ki ngā pokapū kano ārai mate ki te wero i ngā tamariki ki te rongoa ārai mate. Koira te whakahau a te minita mō ngā take hauora Māori a pēni henare. Hei whakatepe ake ko ngā tai pito pito kōrero ha kina kina. Kia whakaruru hautia a pūtiki koira te ingoa o te hikoi porotehi kua whakaritea mō te rangi tonu nei. Hei tā ngā pito pito kōrero ka tūtaki ngā kaitiaki o pūtiki, rātau ko ngā tāngata whenua, ngā mema o te hapori, tai atu ki ngā hoa whawhai ki te kapua, i te pokapū o te taone o Tāmaki Makaurau, ka tahi ka hikoi tahi rātau i kona ki te kōti teitei o Tāmaki Makaurau. Koe nei te rangi tuatahi o ngā hui a kōti mō te hunga e whakahe ana i te whakawhanaketanga o te tumu herenga waka hou ki te ākau o pūtiki. I timata ai tēnei tohe tohe nui i te tautawhito kua hipa i wainganui ngā kaitiaki o pūtiki me te kaunihera ārohe. Me te aha i rāhuitia rātau e te kaunihera, i nāia nei e aro ana rātau ki ngā kōti ki reira pea whakatau ai tēnei take. E hara i te mea me haere takitahi ngā māma pāpara nei me te tamaiti ki ngā pokapū kano ārai mate, werohia ai ngā tamariki ki te rongoā ārai mate. He pai ke ake kia haere te whānau katoa kia kano āraitia. Koira te whakahau a te minita mō ngā take hauora Māori a pēni henare ki ngā whānau e ārita ana ki te haere i tēnei wiki. Anei te reo o pēni henare.
Tēnā, ko te tono atu ki te whānau, haere a whānau mai, mauria mai o koutou tamariki, kia whakawhiwhia ki te kano ārai mate nei.
E haere tonu ana ngā takutaku me ngā whakamoimiti i konei o Aotearoa mō ngā whanaunga i raru kino ki te motu tapu o Tonga. Ka mutu e tatari tonu ana te ao katoa kia whakatūria anō ngā hangarau whakawhiti kōrero ki te mauterera. Pai muri iho i te hūtanga o Hunga Tonga, Hunga Haapai, i ngā rangitata kotaha kenei. Hei te wā e haumaru ana ka tuku te ope kātua o Aotearoa tō rātau manurere e kia nei ko te C-130 Hercules ki Tonga. Kia tuku i ngā rauemi āwhina ki te motu o Tonga tapu. Hei tā te Premier, hei tā Jacinda Ardern e 500 tāra te nui o te pūtea āwhina kua whakatahangia e tēnei kāwanatanga. Hei tā nā no e mōhio ana ia ko te aronga matua mō Tonga i tēnei wā he kimi I te wai Māori pai hei inu, no reira e wātea ana e rite ana te ope kātua I tēnei wā tonu ki te āwhina. Ahakoa te rerekētanga o ngā whakahaere I tēnei tau, hei whakanui I te whānautanga mai o te poropiti a tahu pōtiki wiremu rātana ki runga I te pā o rātana, ka tūtonu ka koke tonu te kaupapa nei, kei tēnā takiwa, koe rā tā mita ririnui mā ngai o rātana pā. I nā tata nei I whakatauhia e te kōmiti matua o te hāhi, kia huitahi ngā morehu ki ngā pariha kei ngā rohe, nā te horapa haere o te mate kōwhiori ki tō tātou whenua. Kia tahuri atu tātou ki te whānuitanga o ngā kōrero, kei a mita ririnui.
Aha ko te aha. Aha pua te wero o ta mate karauna, te mate uruta, ka tūtonu te kaupapa, ka tūtonu te whakapono o te iwi morehu. No reira, aha pua ngā piki me ngā hiki, e ngā wero katoa, ka hui tātou ki te whakanui, te whānautanga mai, o tātou kai whakahare, o tātou pāpā tātou pōtiki wiremu o rātana.
Nō reira e hoa māmau tonu mai ki ngā take hā kinakina e whai ake nei.
Get your daily dose of Māori news and information. Pāki Waha, weekday mornings from 7 on Radio Wātea.
Ki te riki, he tuki ngā motuhake kua whakaritea e te kapa a whiowhio o Poipiripi me ngā tamatoa. Hei kaupapa kohi moni mō ngā hapori I pākinotia e te pahūtanga o hunga tonga, hunga haapai I tonga. Ko Unite for Tonga, te ingoa kua tapaina ki runga I tēnei kaupapa, ka tū ki Cassie Fields, Wikitoria, ki ahi te reiria hei te kaumā iwa o Pepuere. Ko Felisi Kaufusi, rāua ko George Jennings, ngā uri no Tonga, e tākoro ana mo te kapa a whiowhio, ka mutu ko Aidan Fonua Blake, rātou ko Dylan Watene-Zelezniak, ko Eliesa Katoa, ko Ben Murdoch Masila, ko Taniela Otukolo, ko Viliami Vailea, ngā toki kai tākaro o te kapa tamatoa e whakapapa ana ki te motu tapu o Tonga. Hei a rā mere nei e wātea ai ngā tikiti te hoko mo tēnei tukinga. A kā te ake rā e hika mākua ea e nei pūrongo kōrero a wātea mo tēnei haura, ko Lady Pokai tēnei, kia ora.
Nā no reire te motu, mā wātea, mā te reo, e whakamārama.
He mea tautoko nā te māngai.
Hei pāho.
The rhythm of the rohe.
Ngāti Hine FM.
Tua iti. Tua iti. Yay!
Tuaiti. E hōtaka mo ngā kōhunga tai tamariki hoki. Ta haka pāpāhotia I ngā rā tapu pitu kraka. E paki waitara he pūrākau, ngā waiata kōhanga reo, e wahanga hoki ka whai wāhi atu kia koutou ngā whānau, tukua mai I ngā mahi haka hira o a koutou tamariki, aha koa te aha. Ka pohia wa koutou tamariki, e waiata ana, e whai kōrero ana, e haka ana, tonoa mai kia mātou, kia haka putaina, mā tēnei hōtaka atu aiti.
Yay!
Nau mai haere mai ki te whare haura o ngā tihine. Kia wero a koe ki te rongoa ārai ma te kowhiori, tuatahi, tuarua, tuatoru rānei.
Ka puare ngā kuaha o te whare o torongare mai I te iwa ki te whā, mane ki te praere.
Me he mea he āwanga, he pātai rānei au, haere ki www.nhht.co.nz.
Waia mai ki kore waru kore, rua whetū rua, whā waru, whā rua.
We are navigating a lot of changes here in Te Tai Tokerau, and for some of us, our lives are much busier these days, and it shows on the roads. So Waka Kotahi is reviewing the riskiest speed limits in Aotearoa. Around 600 people are killed or seriously injured in speed-related crashes on our roads in Aotearoa each year. Let's aim for zero, with Waka Kotahi committed to keeping us safe. Go to www.nzta.govt.nz to find out more and take care on the roads.
If it's 4 months since your second shot, it's now time to get your free booster. Getting a booster is the best way to protect you and your whānau from COVID-19 variants like Omicron. So book your booster today at bookmyvaccine.nz.
He puke, he rangatira, Ngāti Hine FM.
He puke he rangatira. Ngātiri FM.
Mai ngā ngutu roa
Oh,
o
yes.
Hātea.
Oh, kia ora, nei mai hoki mai tērā rerenga kōrero. Thought you were going to leave it.
Kōrero
Tēnā whakarongo
mai.
I thought you were going to leave that in 2021. Ioia no kei konei. Nei mai hoki mai e te iwi. We are the crew. Marcia, Phoenix, Luke, here till 9 o'clock. And right now, it's iwi. We're going to give you a bit of an update on what the weather's looking like.
I always forget this every single time. I'm going to get it. The Weather Master right now here in Te Whanga o Rei Pai
Kohi kohi ngā kūtai.
is currently loading right now. So I will get there as soon
The
as it
weather
loads.
is loading. I
The
tell you
weather
what.
outside is loading and the sky
The
is
sun was up this morning,
shining.
the moon was up, and they were both full on.
Right, it is currently 17.1 degrees here in Te Whanga o Rei Pai. It is a high, though, of 29 degrees. 29
Kia ora.
moisture degrees. It is 90% humidity. It's gone down 3%. And it is sun setting at 8:41 with light winds and sea breezes. It
Kia
is
ora.
moist!
Ki ngā tai o whāngarei, the next high tide will be at 10 o'clock this morning. So, if you're a fisherman again on the wharf of Onerahi, can you go on the next tide? But
Get
this high tide at 10 o'clock or even the high tide in the afternoon, don't go fishing because we swimmers want to swim.
And then, well, let's hit the button. Hey, everybody, it's me.
Oh, I love that.
Sexy maramataka. Tēnā no tātou. Wahoki tātou ki tēnei wahanga kia ne ko sexy maramataka. Ina po I haere I waho I taku whare. I mātai atu ki te marama kōrero atu ki aia. He ha te ingoa o te wahanga o tēnei marama. I mea mai ki au ko rākau. Oh, I forgot. Mātohi. Ko rākau mātohi. Te ingoa o te kauroha. Kua ware ware tā te ingoa nei. He rā pai ki te hiika e hara ko te hi tuna. E hea ke ngā kākano hei tupu ai.
Wairu ao karoha
Rākau mātohi.
Rākau mātohi, rā pai mo te hi ika.
Ai, te
Hara mo te
hiika
tuna.
e hara mo te tuna. Ai.
Engari, hara he pai te hi ika ki te wāpu o Onerahi.
Ai, I runga I te wōwhara.
I te wōwha. Te wāwharafa. It's iwi. Very shortly, we're going to check out some more topical news. It's topical today.
It's
I
topical.
tell you, we've got all the goss. Nō reira ki au tonu mai, as well as Iti Te Kupu e mea ana koe e haere ake nei.
That's right, Pāne. But before that, we have 660. It was special. Kia au tonu mai, ngati NFM.
I've been aiming for the top, just like a rocket taking off. You got me high, I'm flying in a dream. Got me feeling like a one, and after everything you've done, just let me take this little moment to say that you're so special to me. All that I want and need. You're so special to me, and I want the world to see. So special, special. See, I always get a brush, and I don't tell you this enough, but you're the one who makes me happy. You're my future, no denying. From time to time I'll get to ride it, but I guess what I am trying to say is you're so special to me. All that I want and need. You're so special to me, and I want the world to see. so special, special. I know you know, I know that you know that you're so special. I know you know, I know that you know that you're so special. I know you know that you know that you're so special. I know that you know you're so special to me. Know that I want and need. You're so special to me. And I want the world to see. You're so special to me. All that I want and need is you're so special to me. I want the world to see. So special, special. So special, you're so special to me. You're so special to me. So special, special. So special, special.
Ngā marae o te kāinga, a place I like to call home.
Maunga rongo.
Another one of our marae from the sub-tribes of Te Parawhau, Te Uriroroi and Te Maohurehure. It was named Maungarongo because of all the disturbances in the area. When Kawati heard of this news and all the anger in the area, he set out to be the peacemaker and bring peace to that area. The peace from Waihomio to Poroti. Once naming of the whare tūpuna, Maungarongo.
Maunga rongo.
Ngā marae o te kāinga, a place I like to call home.
Ngāti Hine FM, it is Luke Bird, Marcia Hooper and Phoenix Ruka, 99.6 and 99.1 north of Hikurangi Maunga and me ngā Pachi Tanga o Miti Miti.
Kia ora, it's Iwi. I hope you're having a great morning out there. We're here till 9 o'clock, and right now we've got some topical news still going on the airwaves. Get ready to get in your bobsleds. You know why? Because let's go to the 2022 Winter Olympics here, Iwi, where you will find the Jamaican four-man bobsled team has qualified for this year's Winter Olympics.
The Cool Runnings.
Sanka. You
Sanka.
That was such a great movie.
You did, man.
Yeah, man.
Do you know what makes this even more special, though, for the Winter Olympics for the Jamaican bobsled team?
What?
Is the New Zealander who's pushing them, who's part of their training team.
Wow.
Did you read that?
No.
Oh, she was on the news last night. She's their physiotherapist, but also their performance manager, and she's a good old little Kiwi girl from New Zealand, from Aotearoa.
From Washington.
And she volunteered back in the 2008 Commonwealth Games, I think it was, to help. And she was placed into the Jamaican village to volunteer to help with their physical therapy. And she was given a runner. What's her name with the colourful hair from Jamaica? Who's like
yes. Yeah.
She was given her to look after. They loved her, and now she's part of the Jamaican team.
Wow,
Kiwi
that's
girl.
so cool.
Yeah, so she's the one pushing them for their performance for the bobsleigh.
There it is.
That's
Aotearoa is why they're there.
That's right. Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, so everybody feel the rhythm.
Feel the rhyme.
Get on up. It's bobsled time.
That was
Cool Runnings.
That
Yes.
was such a go of that movie.
That's
Some
jam, that
people say,
movie.
you can't believe.
Kiss my egg.
Jamaica,
Kiss
we
my
have a
egg.
bobsled
Bobsled
team.
team. Yes.
Fastest are Jamaican sprinters. Go to the Olympics, win for Jamaica.
He not only knows all the Disneys, but he knows.
We are the Wanderers, the One Junior,
Sounds like
Sanka.
Yeah.
Sounds like Grandma Chala. I love
Yeah, a
that.
little bit. Yeah. I know. Sanka.
Kiss my
Sanka.
egg. Kiss my egg. You don't know that one? Okay,
No,
right.
Yeah.
I don't want to kiss your lucky egg, man.
Oh, you got it. Good.
Yeah.
I'm feeling very Olympic today.
I am so excited for them. I hope they freaking kick it.
You know,
Go
it's
for
the
it.
most iconic. Well, to me, in that movie, the most iconic scene is when he's in the mirror and he's like,
Yeah.
what does he say? I see pride.
Yes.
I see power. I see a badass mother who don't take no crap over nobody.
Yes.
Once
Say it.
again. Yeah, that's the one.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah,
We should
actually
watch
say
it.
it again.
Ah.
Bigger.
I see pride.
Yes.
I see power.
Yes.
I see a badass mother who don't take no crap over nobody.
Yeah, so there you hear it, FTV bobsled team
I love
led
that.
by Maori. No.
Yeah. We'll give her that.
Yeah.
Yes.
She's Maori because Kiwi is a Maori word, therefore she is Maori.
She
There
is
we
Maori.
go. I
Yeah.
love that.
If you're a Kiwi and you say you're a Kiwi, you'll say you're Maori. Kia
Yeah.
ora.
Kia
Yeah.
ora.
But don't tell us we're Kiwi.
Yeah.
We're Maori.
I'm a bird.
Alrighty, Tiwi.
Manu Whititua.
Yes.
Oh, on that note, let's go check out our Te kupu mo te rangi nei. Te kupu. Yeah.
Call it blowback. I love that song. No, I don't really anymore.
Right. Tēnei wahanga e kiki ana i ngā kupu whakarite, Māori metaphor or simile. And today is no different.
Oh, you got to turn your real voice on.
Oh,
I loved yesterday's one.
Aye.
Oh, you know who has a real voice? Just be with him on holiday, and I know he's my brother, but he just, it hits home. His real voice, yes, Otene. He has got a mean real voice.
The real voice.
Just noticed.
Yeah.
I know, I'm like, sitting there, look at him like, why did you change?
Yeah.
I'm still the same person.
It's funny because, so if you don't know what the real voice is, it's like, so I'll be talking like this. Hey guys, what's up, man? Let's go chill and hang out. So cool. Oh my gosh, that's buzzy. And then when you go into deals, you're like, here, man. So that's so enakwe. E te rangatira.
Aye.
Yes.
Where did that come from? I
don't know. They just get so it's like, you know, because te reo can be very formal.
Yeah.
So I suppose it just comes with
But
it.
it would have evolved over a couple hundred years, because if you think about it back in the day, it would not have been.
Well, I think in
Well, no, because there's a formal part and there's an informal. I get that.
Yes.
But it's when people speak informally, formally.
Yeah. I think it might come down to like who's teaching them to or where they've learnt it. Because if they've learnt it from someone and that's how they speak, then probably you've just picked up some of their like mannerisms and stuff, you know, their inflections.
But then if you like hang around people and you've heard them speak Māori in a non-formal way, and then they just sometimes they're just like, me haere tātou ki te toa. And it's like,
just go to the show.
Me haere tātou ki te toa hoko rare ai.
Yeah.
Right, you didn't
me haere
need to
tātou
do.
ki te toa.
You didn't need to do that voice to buy lollies. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Hoko rare ai.
And then some just it's a habit. Like they don't even know they're doing it.
And you're like, peace, everybody.
I love that people speak Māori.
Oh, absolutely. Yes,
but it is funny
100%,
when it is like that.
Anyway, we digress as per usual.
As per
Pua
usual.
hoki tātou ki te kaupapa, e kia ne ko iti te kupu. Nā.
Kia ora.
Kia hatia.
Okay, here we go. Koko muka tūtara āwhare.
Oh, this. Oh, heck. Just write a novel, why don't you?
Speaking of formal.
I might get a taxi to the end of it. Oh my gosh.
So that's chapter 1.
Koko muka tūtara āwhare.
Koko muka. So flax.
Koko muka is te tahi kupu. Tū, tahi kupu. Tara āwhare.
Koko. Is koko another word for muscles?
Koko. My nephew's called their grandfather Koko.
Koko. Poco loco.
Muka being like the what's it called? Like
it's like the
hearty bit.
Yeah.
Two to stand upright.
Alright.
What's the next
tara
part?
whare.
Tara āwhare.
Tū tara
Tara
āwhare.
āwhare.
It was like
No, I don't know.
I think is koko muscles or nah? Is it not? Does it not say?
Well, not in this instance. Koko
okay.
muka is hair.
Is to make the rope? Is it to make the rope? Eh? Like the muka.
Muka, it is, yeah. But this is like hair puti. A native shrub.
Cabbage tree.
With small, thick, folded leaves and 4 neat rows, white flowers, forms a large part of the shoreline's scrub.
Oh, tū tara āwhare.
Aye.
No.
I don't know.
Muka.
Is it this beautiful thing that decorates or adorns the whare.
Oh, is it those things? Oh, is it those little buddy things? Those little beady, buddy, fluffy little flowers that on the beach.
Maybe.
Tūtara a
And you
whare.
can dye them. We used to do it as kids, and they're pretty.
What are they called? Are they
Dunno.
called Hebe Salefiofolia?
Oh, someone.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know.
Anybody in the chat helping you out?
No, I think it is a koko. Yeah, you're right. It's those
Those
stalky things
stalky little
with the white
buds.
fluff at the.
Yeah, the fluffy buddy things.
Yeah.
Because I think we've said that before. We koko. Maybe.
Koko muka. Okay, so
Hey.
koko muka is that. And then it could be noho a whare or noho tara a whare or tū tara a whare.
And what does this mean?
Yeah, nah, that's a
Koina
tough
te
one.
tino.
This is a
That
hard
is
one.
a tough one.
Koko
But I like
muka.
that. We all don't know it.
So if you're at home, whānau, and you're listening, kei hea tamati rakana, and Sarah Keima, kei hea kaurua, whakamarama mai, koa.
Okay, I'm going to put you out of your misery.
All right, here we go.
We're going to go with koko muka tūtara a whare because I started with that.
Koko muka tūtara a whare.
Aye. And it's saying someone who does not leave home because of old age, sickness, or inclination.
Oh, damn.
Oh,
How's tira?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Yeah, okay, well, let's not do that. Someone does not leave home because of old age or sickness.
Oh,
wow.
Tūtara a whare. So their koko muka must be something that's just planted today. It's not going to move.
Not going to move.
Yes.
Tūtara a whare. Right, and now let's jump to the koko muka noho tara a whare. Is someone who's reached the stage of life where it could be said that he is stay at home, that he is in his retirement years.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Koko muka noho tūtara a whare. Oh,
Noho tara a whare.
So that's for someone who's like in retirement years.
Yes.
So that, what if
And
that
tūtara a whare is the one that
who's stuck there?
Who's stuck there.
One's there by choice and the other one's stuck there.
Ai, anai he tauira. E mea noa atu ana au ki a manu, he ua ka puta au ki te haere. Ka mutu ko taua tahi tēnā. Ai, kei te tika tēnā, he tino koko muka tūtara a whare māua. You fellas are nannies. You stay at home.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. He koko muka tūtara a whare.
Yeah. It's hard to get you out of the bloody house.
My
Yeah.
friend Connor's that
Aye.
person all the time.
Oh, true.
Yeah.
Nana.
I was pretty
Fit,
nano.
looks great, hot, stay home.
Well, there you go. Like, speaking of making things sound formal, you can say, oh, stop being a tūtara a whare. Koko muka
Are you listening,
tūtara a
Connor?
whare.
He koko tūtara a whare.
Ai. No reira he renega kōrero rene ki tira.
Renega kōrero
tēnā whakarongo mai.
And also, if you I got to it in the end.
Yes.
Also, if you wanna like to save this as your text tone, we can do patuhi.
Patuhi kōrero tēnā
pānui mai. Yeah, for your text tone. For your text tone.
God.
All right, that's your iti te kupu for today. It's actually nui te kupu.
Ai,
Yeah,
Nui te kōrero.
nui te kupu.
Oh,
Nui te kōrero. Iti. Oh no, nui te kupu.
Ai.
Iti te kōrero. Really,
You're
it's like, what does that mean? Retired.
Yeah, just read the whole novel first.
Yeah.
Retired.
Yeah.
Save that in your memory box. Koko muka tūtara a whare, koko muka noho tara a whare.
Noho tara a whare. And on that note, whānau ko huki tātou ki te mito o te rohe, we have I Moiroa from Drax Project. Nō reira, kaua huri ki teihana ki ngati hene FM. That's what I said. I Moiroa.
Takatoa nei mo i ngā ke kātahi tonu ka tūtaki rangirua ko ngā mahara. Ka oho mai hoki koe I tōku tai tōna nā te hauaia kore ana toko ingoa e mau. Pēhera te moeroa te aro I hera au ai e pai ana. Ina po holo I te tahi Ina arua moa kangi a whānoa taki ki te kainga o hoa moa. Oia pūtera kara whiua mai anō. kai o ke taku wa hai ka hara wa ina po e pae no ana a hou e te tau me haere me no hora ni wa te ana i tēnei rā ai e pae ana ina po hongo i te tahi ina arua no kani a whāno taki ki te kainga oha oia te rai hara whiwa mai anō Tino mani kare te ngarama Tino mani no taru a te po Tino mani kare te ngarama Tino mama te tino mama te I moero Hoi ana I te kainga Pukoro piako Kore kore ko iho ana te rā He poi pai me tō ai no Ne kātu ana I te whano Ai e pai ana I na poi Hongo I te tahi I te arua no Kangi a whāno Taki ki te kainga Oho no Oia po te rā Kara whiwa mai anō I na poi Hongo I te tahi I te arua no Kangi a whāno Taki ki te kainga Oho no Oia po te rā Kara whiwa mai anō Tino mani kare ngarama Tino mani no taru a te po Tino mani kare ngarama Tino mama te tino mama tina po Hongo I te tahi Inu arua no kani a whāno Taki ki te kainga Oho no Oia po te rā Kara whiwa mai
He mea tautoko nā te manga.
Kai pāho.
99.6 here in Whangarei. Iwa te kauma iwa ira tahi tū atu ihi kurangi ngā Tine FM. Coming up very shortly, we've got all the facts under the sun.
That's right. We've got some pretty out there ones today. I'm telling you right now.
Did you know?
Yeah.
Well, you're going to have to find out
Oh,
soon.
yes. Did you know? Coming
You're
up
gonna have to
shortly.
wait.
You know, and Mauna Koe, like we said, is coming up shortly, whānau. But before that, we have a jam from Annie Crummer.
Oh, my girl.
Woo, called Language. Nō reira whānau kia utonu mai, because if you want to learn some random facts, you know, because they come in handy at like quizzes and that.
They
You know
do.
those random
Yeah,
quizzes?
They do.
When we go to quizzes.
Yeah, because we quiz a lot. So keep it locked for that whānau kia utonu mai, Ngāti Hini FM. Ngāti Hini FM.
Teaching me to speak the language. Them of a place so far away. Ooh, the closer I get to know you, that much more I want to say. A million questions to be answered. You might not ask it today. I want to know what makes you so beautiful to me. If I say, if I say, so beautiful. If I say, if I say, so beautiful. If I say, if I say, if I say, if I say. Half the words before I met you. My heart is filled with poetry. I'm learning to trust my feelings, and all my fears I'm letting go. God's factory, but higher purpose. The night embraces all I see. Come with me now, 'cause you're bringing out the magic in my soul. In my damn, it's so beautiful. In my damn, it's so beautiful. In my
Ngā Tihine FM. Iwa te kauma, iwa ira ono.
Mai te hurihanga o kāwhari tainoa ki te pēo whairangi, me ngā pechipechiranga ki te hokianga, Ngā Tihine FM, e mara, you are with the crew, Marcia, Phoenix, Luke.
Woo! And
That
it
is right.
8:35 a.m. this morning right here in Whangarei. It is a beautiful morning, and right now it's time for... Oh, look at that. Our little wahanga where we, wahanga,
Wahanga.
Both?
Yes, that's
Both?
right.
Yeah.
Where we discuss the facts or cacks of life.
Hi.
And I've got a few today. Shall I start us off?
Yeah, you can kick us off.
So in the Spanish word esposa, which means wife, the plural esposas means wives, and also means handcuffs.
Oh.
It's a little play on word there that they've described as being one to use for kinky tanga.
Oh,
Hurrah.
kinky tanga and
Esposa or esposas means wife, wives, or handcuffs.
crack up.
Wife's wives or handcuffs.
The old ball and chain.
Gilda.
There you go. I thought that was quite out there. I thought,
That's
ooh,
crack up.
Here's one for you, Luke.
Esposas.
Esposas!
Back in 2012, New Zealand broadcasted the first weather report in Elvish language.
What's Elvish?
From Lord of the Rings.
Lord of the Rings.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
When was it again, sorry?
2012. So old, but it's
Wow.
a fact.
That's fabulous.
For you, the weatherman.
Thank you.
Mine's not really in the Meanakwe, but I thought it was interesting nonetheless. So as we know, we got Steven Adams over playing in the NBA. He plays for the Grizzlies.
Yeah.
And so this is not in any way him Meanakwe, but it's cool. So he's like the gentle giant. Like no one messes with Steven Adams in the NBA because they just know he's like the strongest person out there.
Yeah.
Anyway, there's a video going viral at the moment because a fight broke out. I was about to break out, and so what Steven Adams does, because he was in between them, he literally just picks this dude up and then just walks him away.
Manhandles him.
Just manhandles him like
He's just holding like,
he just holds him. He's just
Come
like,
here, my boy.
yeah, come on, son. Come on, boy. Come on.
You know.
You had
you
enough.
know.
You had enough.
And even he's like, I know, bro.
Yeah, exactly. Well, because he probably realized who's picking him up. He's like, yeah, nah, I'm not. I'm gonna settle down now. I'm being held by Aquaman.
He's cool though. Steven Adams, like he's consistent. He does that in every sort of game like that.
Yeah,
that situation will break out. He's there to stop it, or if he knocks players over, he's there to pick them up.
Yeah.
Like
there's a montage of him just like setting screens and just bouncing people off him, and or people trying to elbow him, trying to really get him. You know, like get him aggressive, and he's just like, come on, man. You elbowed my
I'm playing
face.
the game.
Yeah.
It's the game.
It's honestly, he's the man. And there was that one other video that went viral of him. Someone he pump fakes, and then someone jumps and then trips over him.
Yeah.
And then almost lands on their head, but he catches them he throws
He
the
could have
ball
got
away.
the goal.
Yeah, he could have carried on and scored.
Wow.
But instead he was worried that the guy was going to fall on his head, so he catches him mid-air and puts him down and then carries on.
Is that whole whānau, the Adams whānau?
Yeah, it is.
Adams family?
Adam's family.
Oh,
They
yeah,
are
family.
on,
They've
like
got
the
good
sissies.
wairua, yes.
Their TikToks, they're a cool bunch to follow. They
It's
have got a
cool.
great wairua.
So-
Speaking of sports, with more than 400, New Zealand has more golf courses per capita than anywhere else in the world.
Wow. That just shows how much stolen land there is.
Yeah. Mailmen, people the posties in Russia, the little posties on their little bicycles
Yeah, I was
delivering the
going to
mail.
say, aren't all men males?
Well, the posties in Russia now carry revolvers after a recent decision by the government. You took my mail! God.
That's a great gun noise.
Revolver.
Pew, pew.
Yeah, that's pretty out there.
Shoot him. Poof, poof.
Shoot him. Puff.
Machine gun. Poof, 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 poof.
Yeah,
You get the gist.
Oh my gosh, there's a tank here. Poof.
It's a rainbow color tank.
They probably would.
What do you call Luke? Poof.
Who are my friends? Poof.
Yeah, great gun noise.
Okay, and my other one. I've got a couple. Should I keep going on that?
Yeah, you go.
Yeah, you go.
The largest ocean liners in the world pay $250,000 toll each time they go through the Panama Canal. So that's the main canal for, I think, through Europe.
Is that the far one?
Well, it's just WAP and the Wait, far one. I don't get it.
Oh, I get it.
Panama.
Is it the Panama Canal, and then there's the far canal.
You naughty. Anyway, they pay $250,000 every time they use it, which is all the time. The canal generates fully 1/3 of Panama's entire economy.
Yeah.
And it's a
Goodness.
tiny little canal. It's not huge. It's, it's very small.
It's not a far one.
It's not a far one. It's a near one.
It's a near one. That's
Terrible.
like that advice for during COVID, don't do a near cough. Do
Yeah,
a
yeah.
far one.
Yeah.
I'm not going to say anything. I'm not repeating.
And then it's
It's very clever.
I know you bought him like a cup, and then there was rua cups, toru, but they bring in 4 cups.
They bring in 4 moldy cups.
No. That's good, bastard.
Anyway, we digress.
Should I
again.
keep going?
So easy.
Yeah.
I've got one.
Oh, go then.
The
You go.
clearest lake in the world is Nelson's Blue Lake here in Aotearoa.
In the
Let's
world.
go.
In the world, with visibility of up to 80 meters deep.
That's
That is
crazy.
incredible.
See, hey, mate, ora. Speaking of like clear waters,
That's amazing.
we took a dip in Waiti to Rotoiti. Holy heck, there's watercress for days. This is at our whānau's marae,
Yes.
Waiti. Beautiful water, but the first 5 minutes you have to kia because my feet and my hands like numb
Yeah.
and sore, like in pain,
stinging.
how cold it is.
Yeah.
Wow.
But it was so clear, clearest water ever.
wow.
We did kia, but I would probably say that it was like a recovery bath.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. It's a
It's
straight ice bath.
crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, straight ice bath. Came out of there with hypothermia.
Bye, girl.
I always envy people who who exercise but have like an awa next to their house that they sit in. And I'm like, oh, that
You talking
looks
about
great.
Kahu?
Yes.
Yeah,
yes.
they get to go to the what's it?
Kahu. Yeah, I saw her
Yeah.
Instagram. She's shout out to Kahu. She's training for Mātātoa,
ka
Te Reo Māori CrossFit competition that's happening
Cool.
this year in April.
Yes,
actually.
and then she gets to go dip in Awaho, which is the same sort of
Yes.
cold.
Yeah.
It's a recovery bath.
Recovery bath.
Bro, a natural one.
Geez, CrossFit life.
Bro, if we've got those around Northland, tēnā kōrero mai.
And also shout out to Shay because she said, because it's a partners competition, Mātātoa, and she said she signed them both up, but she doesn't think Shay's going to do it with her.
Phoenix has got you, girl.
Yeah.
I'll do it. Yeah. I'm
That's
actually
amazing.
I'm doing work there that day.
Right.
Real work.
Yeah. Mahi.
Hickey my time.
You got one more?
I've just got 2 more. Should I do
more.
2 more?
Yep.
2 more. Okay.
The city of Quebec in Canada has about as much street crime as Disney World.
Oh, wow.
And that city has got about 4 million people.
You know what's the thing
What do you
about
think
crime?
the Disney World crime is?
Not
Stealing
much.
Mickey Mouse hats?
I don't
Yeah,
know. Have
tiny.
you heard the thing about the invisible green that Disney
No.
uses?
No.
So there's a thing. So there's a thing that there's a color that Disney use to hide stuff in plain sight,
Oh,
and it's called Disney green, and it's like kind of like a
Green screen.
pale. Nah, it's a pale, like kind of
Pastely.
sickly kind of looking green, like real pale green. But apparently, just because of that type of color in amongst everything else makes it people just don't notice it. So they'll hide like maintenance areas or like areas where only staff are allowed that are big buildings, but they'll paint it all the invisible Disney
you wouldn't even
green
notice it's
so
there.
people don't notice it. Yeah, well, it's not like
It's
obviously you
see-through,
don't
but
walk into it.
No, but you don't pay attention.
Yeah,
to
you
the
don't
color.
pay attention to the color. It's like a
That's cool.
it's a specific Disney green that they use to hide things in plain sight, like maintenance areas and places with like machinery and all that kind of stuff.
Mind doesn't sort of notice
Yeah,
it. It's
yeah,
just like, oh
yeah.
Wow.
Fuzzy, yes. Disney green. They call it Disney green. Yeah.
My last one.
Well, there's not enough Disney green at Disney World because they're just obviously stealing stuff. Or what's the crime that goes on there?
Pickpocketing.
Well, yeah, I don't know,
stuff
but
like
it
that.
says there, the
Or
city
it
of
might be
Quebec.
stealing some, what do you call it? Like teddy bears from those games.
You know, it's illegal to
Joji
dress
did it
like a
once.
Disney character at Disneyland.
Is it?
Yeah. You're not allowed to dress like a Disney character
Maybe
at
it's
Disneyland.
that.
Yeah.
There's some fake dresses.
Because of all the, I don't think it's illegal, but because of all the copyright issues, you're not like I couldn't go there dressed at Mickey Mouse.
Yeah.
But there's a trend going around where people like dress as closely as possible to a character and go there without like kind of getting caught. So they'll wear a suit that's like Mickey Mouse colors, like red pants.
You can tell.
Yeah, you can tell, but that's not. It's like a thing to like. Let's see how close we can get without getting in trouble.
Pretty out there.
Right. Hit us with your last one,
Oh,
Luke.
my last one is, I've got a couple, but I'll do one. The last one is, on average, people fear spiders more than they do death.
Well, because death is not crawling all over you and going to kill you.
Spiders.
Yeah, because spiders cause the death.
Yeah. Yeah. Exactly. I don't mind daddy long legs, but any other spider, nah, you can get out.
I whacked it anyway.
And like, if it's bigger than
your head,
this,
brains.
Nah.
Yeah.
Yeah, yuck.
Especially like I see those videos where there's like a big, what do you call those? It's not a tarantula, but it's like a huntsman in a car. If it's in our car and you're in the car with me, sorry, we are crashing.
We're gone.
Yeah, we're gone.
Jesus, take
also,
the
we're
wheel.
hopping out and I'm selling the car.
I think it's got to do with the name of it, because spider, shark, snake all have more consonants than they do a vowel.
All start with S. They're all shite. Shockingly
stupidly shite.
And have no point on this earth.
Spiders do.
I'm serious. Spiders, snakes, sharks.
Nah, spiders eat the flies, and then because otherwise we'd be like overrun by flies.
Well, they don't eat enough.
Flies.
That's what I'm gonna say.
Spiders eat the flies, and then the birds eat the spiders, and then it's circle of life.
Can you Disney green the spiders so I can't see them?
Disney green them.
That's even worse than the
What
onion.
about the snakes?
2 vowels.
Like
Huntsman,
if New
3
Zealand
vowels.
doesn't have snakes, then the world doesn't need snakes.
Yeah, we don't have them.
Kia ora.
Yeah, good point. She got a good point, Phoenix.
True.
And what do they? Oh, they eat rats. Okay, we've got a lot of rats here, don't we?
Sharks. I mean, I know I'm in your
But
funny,
who
but
brought rats here in the first place?
why can't everything just be friendly? Why do you have to be a
like
human-eating
rabbits.
shark? I know they don't like humans, but still, why so pointy teeth?
And they like crawl. They got pointy arms and legs. But I wonder if their little voice is like, "Please don't hurt me."
Yeah, that's
Probably.
Yeah,
Please don't hurt me. I have to bite you and hurt you.
Yeah, cows kill more humans than sharks. That was the fact you had the other day.
Sharks.
Cows kill like 50 times more than sharks.
And
do.
put me in front of a cow any day before a shark.
No, but see, cow, 1 vowel. So they're dangerous.
Dangerous.
One vowel.
Frog.
One vowel.
So that ache.
See, deers, 2 vowels, 2 consonants. So they're
Digress.
equal.
We all the way
2
digress.
vowels.
We all the way digress.
Back to the rhythm.
Back to the rhythm.
5 vowels.
Fine, rhythm. No vowels.
No vowels. It's a spider.
That's why our Pākehā whānau
Don't
have them, because it's got no vowels.
Oh, you mate.
Nō reira whānau, ko hoki
Racist.
tātou.
1 vowel,
Ki
2
te me tō te rohe. We have Louis Baker with Addict.
What's the meaning of
That's
this
it,
game?
FM.
That's it, FM.
I've got
Luke
no
Marcia,
one
Phoenix.
else to blame. I'm an addict, baby. I'm an addict, baby. I've got panic face. I've got acid in my veins. I'm an addict, baby. I'm an addict, baby. I give and give and give, but you give me no return. And the truth is I'm in flames, but I really like the burn. So I give and give and give, and if I can't get no return, then I'll never be satisfied. I need your love again, 'cause I'm an addict for your love. No more hiding my pain, 'cause I'm an addict for your love. Feels like I'm living in a shadow light. Oh, you got me seeing blind, holding up to every eye. 'Cause this feeling's got me questioning my state of mind, questioning my alibi. Nothing left to hold me. I'm addict. Oh, I'm an addict, baby. I've been here for oh so long, suffering through my withdrawals. I'm still in panic, baby. Panic, baby. I'm so tired of being alone, and my body has lost its soul. I'm still an addict, baby. I'm still an addict, baby. I give and give and give, but you give me no return. And the truth is I'm in flames, but I really like the burn. So I give and give and give, and if I can't get no return, then I'll never be satisfied. I need your love again, 'cause I'm an addict for your love. No more hiding my pain, 'cause I'm an addict for your love. Feels like I'm living in a shadow light. Oh, you got me seeing blind, holding up to every eye. 'Cause this feeling's got me questioning my state of mind, questioning my alibi. Nothing left to hold me up. I'm an addict. I'm an addict. I'm an addict. I'm an addict. I need your love again, 'cause I'm an addict for your love. No more hiding my pain, 'cause I'm an addict for your love. I need your love again, 'cause I'm an addict for your love. No more hiding my pain, 'cause I'm an addict for your love. Feels like I'm living in a shadow light. Oh, you got me seeing blind, holding up to every eye. 'Cause this feeling's got me questioning my state of mind, questioning my alibi. Nothing left to hold me up.
Parents and caregivers can now get their 5 to 11-year-olds immunised against COVID-19. Find out more at bookmyvaccine.nz or call the COVID Vaccination Healthline on 0800 28 29 26.
Under the COVID-19 traffic light system, some workplaces and roles will require vaccination. To help employers and employees work together to make this happen, there's also been some updates to employment law. For example, employers should provide employees with reasonable time off so they can get vaccinated to help keep everyone safe. For more information and other updates on vaccination and the workplace, please visit employment.govt.nz. That's employment.govt.nz.
Wananga.ac.nz
Te whare wānanga o Awanuiarangi Masters programs include Indigenous and Māori Studies, Business, Mental Health and Performing Arts. Undertake Masters research with Awanuiarangi where we provide support and mentorship in kaupapa Māori framework. Make a meaningful difference to your whānau, hapu and iwi. Awanuiarangi, rukuhia te mātauranga. Study with us.
If it's 4 months since your second shot, it's now time to get your free booster. Getting a booster is the best way to protect you and your whānau from COVID-19 variants like Omicron. So book your booster today at bookmyvaccine.nz.
Mai ngā rekereke o pari haka maunga ki te awa o hātea puta atu ki te ao ngā Tihine FM. E ara e mara.
E ara e mara. We have come to the end of our show, whānau, unfortunately.
Hi.
So if you're just joining us and you're like hearing us say goodbye, where you been this whole time?
Where you
you know?
been, girl? Where you
We'll
been
give you
now?
a quick recap. Can anybody remember Iti Te Kupu?
Oh, that's
Yes.
Yeah, we'll get a taxi
It was
first.
He kōkō muka tūtara a whare.
Kia ora.
Oh,
Thank
well
you,
done.
student number 1. Student number 2. Can you? What's the other version?
Muka tu tara noho whare, whara noho nihi.
Noho tara a whare. Kia ora, which basically means
retired.
For the noho tara a
Yeah,
whare.
yeah, noho
Tū
tara
tara
a
a
whare.
whare is you're too sick or
Old.
just like a nanny.
Yeah.
You're like, you're one of those ones.
Yeah.
Come
Just
on,
stay
get
at-
out.
That is my
sorry,
my
Kaz,
nan
koko
is that
muka
too.
tū tara a whare.
Yeah, that's definitely my nan. She like, if she can help it, she will never leave the house. Like she just loves being home.
Ara, te te kupu whakarite mana.
Yeah,
Right.
mana.
Mana.
She's one of those old school wives. Like she makes breakfast for her husband, lunch, dinner.
Oh.
He does all not all the mahi, but he does. He goes
does
to
the
work
mahi,
and he comes
yeah.
back, and she has his dinner ready and coffee and all of that. She's the old school man.
Oh,
yeah.
Old school skin, eh?
beautiful. That's
Simpler
beautiful.
times.
Girl.
What's the breakfast?
Oh, she
Porridge.
nah. She's all out like bacon, eggs,
Oh,
toast,
that's
all of
right.
that.
Oh,
So he'll sit down at the table. She'll bring him his bacon, eggs, toast, make him a coffee, all of that. And then he'll go to work, and then she'll find out where he is at lunchtime. And then if he can't get there, she'll take his lunch to him.
Oh, do they have
There
a
it
cuddle? Do
is.
they hold hands?
Yeah.
Oh,
And they've been made for heaps of years.
Yeah, I don't even know. Forever.
Kia ora.
Yeah.
does he? They hold hands. Do
Yeah.
you watch 24 Hours in A&E?
Nah.
No.
Oh, you've got to watch.
I don't think
it.
I watch any of your programs.
Oh no,
Judge Judy,
that's right, Jen.
Housewives,
Oh no, you've got to watch
Paul
24 Hours in
RuPaul,
A&E.
Drag Queen.
Okay.
It is so beautiful, and it makes you cry every time.
And that's
The emergency.
we can
because it's his cameras in the room, and the old people come in
Yeah.
and they talk about their
Oh,
lives.
yeah, that's it.
let's well you put a pin in it and we'll talk more about it tomorrow.
Put a pin in
Put a
it.
pin in it. Put a pin in it.
Like in your hip.
Bye, everybody.
Because we got to get out of here. So from us, whānau, thanks for joining us, the crew, myself, Phoenix, Marcia, and Luke. E ara e mara.
See you tomorrow.
Yeah, maya mātou kia kaha.
Kia maia.
Kia nifa.
Oh. Have a good day, everyone.
Mara,
Tihine
mara.
FM.
I got my peaches out in Georgia. Oh yeah. I get my weed from California. That's that. I took my chick up to the north, yeah. I get my light right from the source, yeah. Yeah, that's it. And I say, the way I breathe you in, it's the texture of your skin. I wanna wrap my arms around you, baby, never let you go. Oh, and I say, there's nothing like your touch. It's the way you lift me up. Yeah, and I'll be right here with you till the end. I got my peaches out in Georgia. Oh yeah. I get my weed from California. That's that. I took my chick up to the north, yeah. I get my light right from the source, yeah. Yeah, that's it.
You ain't sure yet, but I'm for ya. All I could want, all I could wish for. Nights alone that we miss more. The days we save as souvenirs. There's no time, I wanna make more time and give you my whole life. I left my girl, I'm in my Yorker. Hate to leave it, call it torture. Remember when I couldn't hold her? Left her baggage for a mover.
in Georgia. I get my weed from California. I took my chick up to the north, yeah. I get my light right from the source, yeah. Yeah, that's it.
I get the feeling, so I'm sure. And in my hand because I'm yours. I can't pretend, I can't ignore you right from me. Don't think you wanna know just where I've been. Oh, don't be distracted. The one I need is right in my arms. Your kisses taste the sweetest with mine. And I'll be right here with you till the end.
I got my peaches out in Georgia. I get my weed from California. That's that. I took my chick up to the north, yeah. I get my light right from the source, yeah. Yeah, that's it. I got my peaches out in Georgia. I get my weed from California. That's that. I took my chick up to the north, yeah. I get my light right from the source, yeah. I got my peaches out in Georgia. I get my weed from California. That's that. I took my chick up to the north, yeah. I get my light right from the source, yeah. Yeah, that's it. I got my peaches out in Georgia. I get my weed from California. That's that. I took my chick up to the north, yeah. I get my light right from the source, yeah. Yeah, that's it.
E ngā mātā waka huri noa i te motu tēnā koutou katoa. Nau mai ki e nei pūrongo kōrero a wātea nā te pūtea taunaki a te māngai pāho. E whai ake nei